Welcome to Titan Machinery of Dickinson. In today's video, we'll be demonstrating a new 2012 Case SR250. Let's take a closer look at the features on this skid steer. This Case SR250 has 84 horsepower, a hydrostatic transmission, and a block heater, and features an enclosed cab with heat and air conditioning, along with rollover protection and work lights. We have multiple units available with similar equipped features. Thank you for viewing this Case SR250. If you're interested in a skid steer and would like to contact our sales staff, give them a call at 701-227-5309. To view other available new and used equipment, check out Dickinson.titanmachinery.com.